This is how the festival ended. Big storm moving in, everybody hauling ass to get out of here. Rain is coming, wind is coming. As you can see, that wind is cutting up no storm, cutting no slack. The party's over and the storm is here. Woo, what a wind. Look at them clouds. Lightning, thunder, a lot of wind. Rain hasn't gotten here yet, but I'm sure it's not that far away. As you can tell by them skies up there. Look at that. Woo! Yeah, man. It's getting ready to calm down. It's getting ready to calm down. Everybody trying to get the hell out of here now. Look at that mess over there. Woo, man, I'm glad I'm not going in that direction. Wicked, wicked, wicked. Yeah, man. Everybody leaving. Everybody's scared of the storm. I guarantee they're getting out of here a whole lot faster than they got here this morning. Fiesta is over. Mother Nature decided it wanted to join the party. Hey, ¿qué pasó?
Vamos para la casa ahora.
Sí.
Ok, voy a esperar pues. Vamos allá.
Ok, ok, está bien.
Gracias. Gracias.
Here comes the rain. Last video of the party. The rain is coming. And here's my ride. Here's my princess in a white chariot. That is all. Goodbye. You want me to drive?